Guys, we got a 2004 Lexus GX470, and we're going to replace the cabin air filter. Now on this one, I haven't done it, but I kind of took a look at it. You have to pull the actual cabin air filter casing out, and then you have to the filter out of the casing, and I believe put this filter in its place. So I'll show you, that's what it looks like there. Okay. Now there is a direction on here. Let's see. So it says airflow going down. So I'm assuming it probably goes like that. So what we're gonna do, I'll go ahead and gotta drop the glove box, push it down. This little cable will hold it in place. You could make this easier if you wanted to. You could actually release the dampener cable here on the side. This thing here, you can unhook it if you want. I didn't want to have to unhook it, but you can. I think this pulls that way or something. I don't remember. I think it pushes downwards, I think. Yeah, it pushes downwards like that, and then it comes out of this little guide, and then you can put it all the way down if you can't get your hands in here. But I found it kind of easy. I just kind of push this one side in here, push the other side a little bit, put that down, and then you can pull it out. I'm gonna squeeze on one side here, right there. You try to get your fingers a little tight. This side there, then you're gonna pull all the way out. You see, it tells you that goes up. So as you can see, this thing sits in there like that. So you have to actually pull the filter out. Now, this is an aftermarket one that I have. So I'm assuming it's gonna go in like that. Yeah, so it has the foam here and here. And then we just have to see the direction, which I believe the direction is usually down. Let me see if I can pull this out. Doing this with one hand. I don't have my tripod because I'm here at my home. So give me 1 second. Let me try to pull it out that way. Or I think you just squeeze there and then release it out. Let's see if this thing says anything. Okay, so when you install the cabin air filter, the airflow has to go down, okay, facing downwards. I just saw this on this one here. You can barely see the lines here, but it shows flowing downwards. So it was like that. So the airflow goes like that. So it's facing down. The arrow is facing downward. We'll go ahead and push this into place. A little bit of dirt in there. Try to slide this in. Push that in there. Push that in there. Give me 1 second here. Put it in. Just kind of push down just a little bit. In there. Like that. And then it should snap in there, both sides. And then you just push that up. And you're done. Pretty much does it. So that's how you put the cabin air filter in there on a 2004 Lexus GX470.